Welcome to this tutorial. Hover effects are an important part of modern web design. They help make elements more interactive and improve user experience by adding visual feedback when a user moves the cursor over an element. In Gridbox, you can apply hover state to different style properties. This allows you to create dynamic and engaging interactions directly inside the builder without using custom code. In this video, we will learn how hover state works and how to use it to enhance your layouts. To enable hover state for an element, open the Element Settings panel. Next to Supported Style Options, you will see a small gear icon. Click on it to open the States Settings panel. Inside the panel, enable the Enable States toggle. Once activated, you will be able to define separate styles for the default state and the hover state. Gridbox also provides animation controls for hover states. You can adjust the duration of the animation to control how fast the effect plays. You can also choose a preset animation type or manually define your own animation using cubic Bezier values for full control over the transition behavior. This allows you to create advanced hover interactions, depending on your design needs. Background Hover allows you to change the background style when the user hovers over an element. This can be used to highlight buttons, cards, or sections and make them more interactive. Overlay Hover lets you adjust or apply an overlay effect on hover. It is often used to increase contrast or create visual focus when the element is active. Margin Hover allows you to change the outer spacing of an element on hover. This can create movement effects, such as shifting elements slightly to improve interactivity. Padding Hover lets you adjust the inner spacing of an element on hover. It is commonly used to create expanding or breathing effects when interacting with UI elements. It can also be used to create subtle motion inside the element, making the interaction feel more dynamic. Border Hover allows you to modify border color, width, or style on hover. This is useful for highlighting elements and improving visual feedback. Shadow Hover lets you change or add shadow effects on hover. It helps create depth and makes elements feel more elevated and clickable. Hover states in Gridbox give you full control over how elements react to user interaction. By using hover states, you can create rich and dynamic UI experiences without any code. The real power of hover states comes from combining different effects together. When you mix multiple properties, such as background, shadow, and margin, you can create truly impressive and modern interactions that make your website feel alive. Experiment with different combinations and find the balance that works best for your design. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.